K0 and K1. K0 is very similar to the Time War C2. It will give you the same results taste-wise, but it requires more time to grind with, and I think it is due to the way that it feeds the beans to the burrs. As for the K1, it has a burr geometry that is better for espresso, but as it takes around 2.5 minutes to grind for espresso, I would personally recommend the K2 over both of them. The K2 has larger burrs, which makes the grinding time faster for espresso. Also, due to the rubber sleeve on the main body and the larger ball bearings, it is very easy to grip and grind for espresso.